What I've noticed is that a lot of people are really interested in the newest technologies, especially like ultrasound is one of them, but they don't know necessarily exactly how to utilize that information and data. I'm curious, Adrian, how did you learn about how to take an ultrasound device and be able to look at all the data that it's showcasing and drive meaningful actions off of all that?
Yeah, that's a great question. And it's a question we get asked more and more from our users is what can we do with our ultrasound data? You know, it used to be really simple. You would basically communicate from our software, like our Ultratrend DMS or our UV spectralizer software to the handheld UltraProbe. But now with so many platforms, you know, like Upkeep, people want to do more with their data. That's one of the things that we are constantly working on at UE Systems. You know, we'll work with anybody. If people want to do something with their data, we'll work with that company where they want to take that data to, or that platform, I should say. We have a new product that's going to make it a lot easier. We released that product just a couple of months ago, but it's called the OnTrack, but it's basically a 24/7 bearing condition monitoring system that comes readily available for basically plug and play for just about any kind of IoT type of platform where they want to send that data to. So that's a great question, and people want to continually use their data for other things aside from just trending.